Looking for a dash cam that goes beyond the basics? Meet the DDPAI Z60 Pro 4K dash cam, a smart, triple-channel camera system that captures every detail of your journey, front to back, day or night. With 4K Ultra HD front recording, 2K interior, and 1080p rear camera support, this dash cam offers full coverage of your vehicle. Thanks to Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, IMX678 and IMX662, you'll get stunning clarity and color in any lighting condition. Whether it's a bright sunny day or a dark night drive, the AI ISP Night Vision uses advanced image processing to deliver clear, low-light performance like never before. Need more than just recording? The ADAS driving assistance system uses real-time data to monitor lane shifts, nearby vehicles, and road conditions, giving you safety alerts when it matters most. This dash cam also supports 4G remote monitoring with the optional cloud box. Watch live footage from your smartphone, anytime, anywhere, perfect for fleet management or just peace of mind when you're away from your car. It features HDR imaging for rich colors and high dynamic range, and a wide 138-degree field of view, ensuring nothing goes unnoticed. With a smooth 60 frames per second recording option, you'll capture every moment in fluid, cinematic detail. The 3-inch IPS display makes reviewing footage a breeze, right from the dashboard. You also get 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast file transfers, GPS tracking, and app control, all in one powerful device. Plus, it supports up to 512 GB microSD card expansion, giving you more room to store high-resolution videos. Designed for global users, it comes with multi-language support, including English, Arabic, Spanish, French, German, and more. And yes, it runs on a supercapacitor, not a battery, which means better heat resistance and longer lifespan. Whether you're a rideshare driver, a road trip enthusiast, or just serious about car security, the DDPAI Z60 Pro is your complete 4K dash cam solution.